If I were starting a YouTube channel in 2025, I wouldn't do what most people do. I wouldn't copy outdated strategies from 2020, I wouldn't ignore the AI revolution, and I definitely wouldn't show my face until I had to. Instead, I'd follow a completely different blueprint, one that could take you from 0 to 6 figures faster than ever before. Here's exactly what I'd do. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap. But first, hit that subscribe button because this information could change everything. We've got a lot to cover in the next 11 minutes, starting with the foundation. First, let's talk mindset. The biggest mistake new YouTubers make is thinking small. They treat YouTube like a hobby instead of a business. In 2025, you need to approach this like an entrepreneur from day one. Next, niche selection. Don't go broad. Pick one specific problem you can solve better than anyone else. Know exactly who you're talking to and what keeps them up at night. Research trending topics in your niche, but don't chase every trend. Focus on evergreen content that will be relevant for years. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Short-form content isn't going anywhere. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, they're all feeding the same beast. Faceless channels are dominating because viewers care more about value than personality. And with AI tools getting better every month, you can create professional content without a team. Which brings us to content strategy. Content strategy in 2025 is all about systems. First, content batching. Instead of creating one video at a time, batch your production. Write 10 scripts in one day. Record 10 voiceovers in another day, ensuring consistent audio quality. Edit them all in a third day. This assembly line approach gives you weeks of content ready to publish, freeing up your mental energy to focus on growth. Second, focus on evergreen topics. These are subjects that will be relevant in 5 years, not just 5 days. They get consistent views long after you publish, becoming long-term assets for your channel. Third, master storytelling frameworks. Every video needs a hook, a problem, a solution, proof, and a call to action. Your hook is your first 3 seconds, your one chance to stop the scroll. The problem section makes them realize they need your solution by agitating a pain point. Your solution should be clear, actionable, and immediately valuable. Proof builds trust and authority. Use case studies, testimonials, or your own results. Now let's talk faceless formats perfect for this system. Listicles work great for faceless channels. 5 ways to double your income, or 7 mistakes killing your productivity. Tutorials and how-to videos perform incredibly well because they solve a specific problem, providing immediate value. Commentary videos let you share opinions and insights over relevant stock footage. This is where a tool like InVideo AI becomes a game changer, giving you access to a massive library of premium clips to make your videos visually stunning. No matter the format, mix educational content with entertaining and inspiring videos to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. A solid content strategy is your foundation, but it means nothing without the right growth tactics to amplify your reach. To learn how to leverage AI for explosive growth, watch this video next. InVideo AI understanding its value as a creator. Growth in 2025 starts with YouTube SEO. It's the foundation for discoverability, yet most creators completely ignore this. Think of it as telling the algorithm exactly who to show your videos to. Use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to find keywords your audience is actually searching for. Your title should include your main keyword and create curiosity. Your description is prime real estate. Include keywords, timestamps, and links to related content. Tags help YouTube understand your content. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Now, thumbnails. This is where most creators fail, and it's the highest leverage skill you can learn. Your thumbnail is a movie poster for your video, and its only job is to earn the click. Use high contrast, minimal text, and create curiosity. Test different versions to see what works. For titles, use proven formulas. How to get more subscribers without showing your face, or 5 mistakes killing your YouTube growth. Retention is everything. A high click-through rate gets them in the door, but retention is what tells YouTube your video is valuable. The algorithm heavily rewards videos that keep people watching. Hook them in the first 15 seconds or lose them forever. Use pattern interrupts. Change the visual every few seconds. Add sound effects. Keep them guessing. Structure your content like a story with peaks and valleys to maintain interest. Don't forget end screens. They are crucial for increasing session time. A viewer watching another one of your videos is a powerful signal to the algorithm and can double your session time. Engage with your community. Respond to comments. Create polls and build relationships. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. It exposes you to new audiences. Consistency beats perfection. It's better to publish good content regularly than perfect content sporadically. Track your analytics obsessively. What gets measured gets improved. But applying all these tactics consistently can be a grind. That's where tools like InVideo AI become a game changer, helping you create high-retention videos with great SEO fast. To see exactly how you can leverage AI to streamline your workflow, you need to watch this video next. InVideo AI understanding its value as a creator. Click the end screen now and let's build your channel together. Smart YouTubers don't rely on ad revenue alone. You need multiple income streams. Affiliate marketing is perfect for faceless channels. Recommend products you actually use and believe in. Your audience trusts your recommendations. Don't break that trust for a quick commission. Create your own digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, anything that solves your audience's problems. Online courses can generate 6 figures annually if you solve a real problem. Build an email list from day one. It's the most valuable asset you can own. Think beyond YouTube. Build a brand that can exist on multiple platforms. Expand to other platforms, but don't spread yourself too thin. Master YouTube first. Use automation tools to scale your operations without burning out. Eventually, you'll need a team. Start with an editor, then add a thumbnail designer and researcher. The goal is passive income. Content that makes money while you sleep. Think long-term. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Your YouTube channel is just the beginning. It can open doors to consulting, speaking, and partnerships. Now let's talk about your next steps. Here's the truth. 2025 is the biggest opportunity window we've ever seen for new creators. Audience habits are shifting, and the demand for authentic niche content is exploding. This isn't just a small opening, it's a paradigm shift. While everyone's worried about competition, smart creators are quietly building their empires. They see the opportunity, not the obstacle. And here's their secret weapon. AI tools are leveling the playing field. With platforms like InVideo AI, you can generate scripts, create stunning visuals, and edit entire videos in a fraction of the time. You can compete with million-dollar productions right from your bedroom, focusing your energy on creativity, not tedious technical tasks. But you have to start. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So here's your action plan. Pick your niche this week. Choose something you're passionate about. Create your first video next week. Publish it the week after. This simple sprint will break the inertia. Don't wait for perfect. Your first video won't be your best, and that's okay. Remember, perfect is the enemy of done. Instead, commit to consistency. The compound effect is real. One video per week for a year builds an audience and a library of content that works for you 24/7. It will change your life. Join communities of other creators. Learn from their mistakes, celebrate their wins, and find collaborators. You don't have to do it alone. Set specific goals. Not "I want to be successful," but "I want 1,000 subscribers by the end of this quarter." Track your progress. Speaking of goals, I want to hear yours. Comment below with your #1 YouTube goal for 2025. Let's make a public commitment. If this video helped you see what's possible, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm creating more content to help you build your YouTube empire in 2025. But before you go, one final tip. Spend an hour this week consuming content in your niche. See what works and write down 5 video ideas. That's your first concrete step. And when you're ready to create, watch this video next. InVideo AI, understanding its value as a creator. Or check out this one to master YouTube SEO. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Your journey starts with a single video. 2025 is your year, but only if you start today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.